Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I'm a holistic counsellor and certified clinical EFT practitioner. Now in this video I wanted to share with you an antidote to your stress response. So we all have a stress response as part of our nervous system. So you might know that as fight, flight or freeze. So my stress response is always flight. So that's something for you to think about for yourself as to which one have you noticed in your life that when you have very high stress levels, when your nervous system becomes dysregulated, which one happens to you. So either that fight, that flight, or that freeze, or a combination of all of those. Is not always the same. So I wanted to share with you today a very quick exercise that is going to be an antidote to that stress response when you notice that that stress response is getting triggered within your nervous system and within your body. So this technique comes from the emotional freedoms techniques. It's one of those techniques, and I find that it's very easy to do. It's very quick and efficient and can really help you in the moment to really calm down that amygdala. So that is our emotional center of the brain. I like to call it our internal smoke alarm. So if you can think about a smoke alarm that's going off in the kitchen, you know, just beeping, 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 really annoying, right? So this is our internal smoke alarm. So it's beeping in the background, causing some issues for you. So today we are going to help you with that. All right, so with this one, as it is, we're already in that stress response. That stress response has been triggered, that fight, flight or freeze. So we don't need to use any words for this one. It is called tap and breathe. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're not going to start on the side of the hand today. We're just going to go straight up to the inside of the eyebrow, and we're just going to tap and we're going to breathe. So follow along after me. Coming up to the inside of the eyebrow, and we're just going to tap and we're going to breathe. So breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And then come around to the side of the eye and we're going to breathe. Breathing in and out. And then under the eye, breathing in and out. Just notice how that stress response is starting to calm down. Then under the nose, breathing in and out. Down to the chin, breathing in and out. Okay, just below the collarbone, just where that sore point is, breathing in and out. And then we're going to go under the arm, breathing in and out. And last one, top of the head, breathing in and out. So that's your very simple antidote to the stress response. So when you know that has been triggered for you, you're feeling that tension in your body, you're feeling that build that I talk about, then this is your antidote. This is what you're going to do. And you know, within a couple of minutes, you're going to calm down that amygdala. Your body's going to start to relax. That nervous system is going to start to regulate, and you're going to feel much better, and we're going to calm down that trigger. I trust that serves you.